welcome again. Today we are going to talk about simple past tense, chapter 22, page number 78. Today we are going to talk about how to make simple past tense statements in English. So simple past tense, that is what happened in the past or earlier than now. Now let's get started. As we already learned about tenses, we know that tense is about time and the verb change depending on the time of action. Now let's read some sentences written on the board. Two boys played with a ball. Mary studied hard all year. An old lady walked with her dog. So, in these sentences, which word tells us about the action done yesterday or earlier than now? The words played, studies, and walked. These are the words or verbs which tells us action done yesterday or earlier than now. And all these words are in ed form. So all these words or verbs here are the ed form of the original or the base verb. And all these verbs which tells us about an action done yesterday or earlier than now are in the simple past tense. So, when you want to use simple past tense to explain an action that happened in the past, you need to change the verb. So that means when you are using regular verb, you do verb plus ed. For example, walk, walked. Play, played. So, verb plus ed is the basic form for simple past tense verbs. Now let's see some spelling rules for simple past tense regular verbs. First we have base form plus ed. So this side we have spelling rules and this side we have examples. So, base form plus ed. So, base form of verb here, for example, walk and play is the base form of verb. To change this verb into simple past tense, we need to add ed. So, base form plus ed. Walk, walked, play, played. And next we have verbs ending in E. If the verbs ending in E, we need to add D to make it into simple past tense. For example, like, liked, move, moved. And the verbs ending in a consonant Y we need to change this Y into I and add ed plus ed. For example, carry, carried, study, studied. So these are some of the spelling rules for simple past tense regular verbs. So children, we talk about simple past tense and some spelling rules for simple past tense regular verbs. So we end our class till here for today. Thank you for watching this video. See you all in our next class.